Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini. Something went wrong, please try again. 176 or 199 problem retry problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gemini app. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on all data. Tap on all data. Go back. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search option. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Again open your Gemini app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini. Something went wrong, please try again. 176 or 199 problem solved.